This is outside our front door, guys. It's almost come straight in. Just so you can see that. It's about 4 inches. Go for a swim, Dave. Right. Oh, there's no way around. There's no way around it. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, fucking hell. All this to walk to Bangalore. It's the whole road. Oh, this is mad. This is mad. We are going to see a fucking fish in a minute. Have you ever seen Phuket like this? Look, fucking Ku Klux Klan over there. Jesus Christ almighty.
Take a picture.
I have never seen this before like this in my life. The things we do, Dave, for a beer. Welcome to Bangalore Road, underwater. Dave, it's completely gone. Dave, you cannot go here. It's completely flooded. This coming up to like halfway on my leg now. It fucking better get shallow, Dave. My God. That bar's going to do a roaring trade tonight, isn't it? It's now a swim up bar, Dave. Look at this. Well, this is a bar I normally go to, but one of these. Let's go further up so it gets. There's no water further up, I think. This is fucking mad. It's finally coming to an end. So you got Bangalore's half underwater, Dave. My God, look at that. Finally, we're out of it. Our fucking legs are gonna fucking reek.
These prices have gone so much since I was there last time. It used to be 100 for a beer, now it's 139.
It could be worse, could be like that.